my god, I got a perfect
Huh?
100 and a perfect 8. Okay, I'll show you how to cheat this game. Well, make sure to like and subscribe, guys.
Kaya black din ang pants ko dito. Maganda eh. Black to black. Ganda.
Oh, here.
Tanong wala na kung black pants. May black pants ba ako?
Go up.
O yung ano, yung papasok ko. Pwede mo yan? Huh?
Go there and there.
Huh?
Hey!
Tapos
Hey!
white na lang sapatos.
Okay, I'll just make it zoom in. Up and up. Triple up? Not double up. I think that's double up.
Yan, yan, pink.
Ito?
I'll go here and there.
Yan maganda.
Up and up and up
Hindi, hindi siya maganda.
and there. Making a 6.
Blue?
So I have to speed run this.
Hindi. Parang itong yellow.
Okay.
Yung brown.
That was actually so great.
Parang itong brown yung...
This game is so peaceful, dude.
Ito na lang, no? Ayan, maganda. Look, mami, look. Oh. Look. No?
Nice one.
This is so great.
Yung pink kasi parang...
This is oddly
Sa parang
satisfying.
ito parang...
This is oddly
White na t-shirt,
satisfying.
white na pants eh. Ito...
Dude. Go up.
Ayan.
And using the remote.
Hindi.
This is my first time having a TV. This is my first time having a
Ano
TV.
na siya? This is my first time having a TV.
Hmm.
The
So,
YouTube.
Okay, can you stop it? You're kind of
ito na pala Chain Commander. Ano?
person. Oh.
At least naman may kahit isang beses mong suot na ako. Na... Ano na, okay lang. Kasi ito? Ay, ano pala ako nito kami?
Akin yan.
Hindi.
Yung pink, akin yung isa. Yung green, sa'yo yan. Di ba bumili ka ulit ng green?
Oh, green.
Ah, maganda yung green ni partner mo.
Ayun na sa ganda yung green. Ayun, green. Green kasi parang yung pagka-green tayo.
So
Oh,
it goes
no?
here.
Para kang sayo.
Hey! Up.
Ito, hindi lang. Wait, mami. Ito yung sa'yo.
Okay, Daddy.
Meron kong
What if I get a 9? Look, my best is.
Ito pag mo.
Oh. Say that in the comments. And this one, my score. I hope I don't lose. That would be very. I want should I go up or down? Nah, either way. Oh, that was a bit slick.
Sige, mami, kabili na nabili natin, ha? No?
Go here,
No?
go up and up.
Tapos ito, sampahin natin, sampahin na talaga ito.
Well,
Kasi pangit sa taas.
here,
Ano?
down.
No? Pangit na may naman sa taas.
Oh my god!
Sa taas eh.
Oh my god!
Kaano puto.
Oo.
The sound is cut off. Mommy speak English.
Kaya sabi ko sa'yo, ito mami, dito na lang siya.
The people across
Kasi
the
ito may
country.
dito yun, pagbuksan
Okay,
ko.
you're the background characters. I will just
Nakakawan pa siya.
speak.
Di ba?
Okay?
No?
You just be a part of the background. Oh my god, this is so peaceful. Oh,
Ah,
here.
kasi talaga yun sa taas, no? Taas.
Oh, here. Oh, I'm a bit dumb. Huh?
So, pag gagamit natin, ilabas na natin lahat yan. Eh. Ilabas natin mga gamit natin.
Kaya pa naisip ko nga rin.
Kasi yun, may papaano
Oo,
yan.
here.
Mas pag ano.
Let's try
Alam ko
again.
walang kahiyaan dyan. Sino kasi.
Oh!
Yung rice cooker, iwanan mo na sa labas.
Oh, here.
Dito na lang yung mga pain
Either
ng
way.
tubig.
Ah!
Tingnan natin pa ng ganun madung.
Oh.
Wait.
Up again. Totally up again.
Sabit-sabit sa magulunting. Magulunting na.
I just got wrong for a second. You just see that. Oh. So go here and go up there and go up there. Okay, let's add an extra one. Let's move in an extra one. Let's deliver in the extra one. Oh my god, there's 5 of these. How awesome.
Alam ko na sa maglagi mga platuhan, mami. Doon na
What
lang
I'm
sa
gonna
may
do, just
tabi ng ano.
lose the whole game.
Sarang tayo eh. Sarang tayo katabi.
Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! I got. Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Yeah. It's just some memes. It's just some memes. It's just some memes. Oh my god. I got a 9-1. I got a 9. Okay, this is a bit odd. Why am I recording just doing this at the same
Ano
time?
gusto mong gawin na ano?
Why am I recording and playing a game at the same time? This is so awkward. Well, everyone does that. Can you please shut up, curtain?
Madam, use the laptop. Sige na. Madam, use the laptop.
No, I like this TV. Up here. And up again. And go there. And up there. And up there. Up twice.
Next time again. Okay.
No, I have to save this one. I have to save.
Sige na. Green gas of food.
When I lose, I'll go use my phone. Because I have enough of this. Okay, what is
Sabi
this
ko mo, tulog ko
sticker?
ng alas 2. But.
Oh, that was a pro move.
Ha?
Ano? Okay, go up again. And up again. And down and there. And there. And up and there. Oh my god. This looks like an Among Us character. A colorful Among Us character. Can you see it? I see it. It looks like a turtle. It looks like a turtle. Looks like a turtle.
Dito.
Or a tortoise.
O, tutumba na dito.
Let's continue on doing this.
1. Kasya. Bracket talaga yan. Iba bracket natin.
Down.
Yung baril naman, 2 piraso lang naman yun.
I'm lost. Let's go up. Let's go up. Oh! Boom! Boom! Combo. Go here and... Hey, yo, I just want to push up.
Punong-puno na yan sa ano.
Diyan.
Down. Hey, mommy, you're blocking off.
May blocking na ka.
You're blocking it off for my viewers. Hey!
Why? Ay, ganyan na lang ginagawa niya. Nagsasalita siya.
Because I want my viewers to see. I'm gonna flex on them with my TV. If you don't have TV, what can they do without TV? Okay. Hey yo, perfect. Perfect.
Sige, i-close mo na rin.
Magta-taxi naman ako.
Okay.
Pass ako.
Ano yun?
Bye guys.
Oh, paano ko yun?
This is gonna be epic mode. Epic mode. Bam 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 bam.
Sabi ko,
Bam 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 bam.
balik mo lang magkighati ka na lang.
Oh my god, that was Those
Banik mo,
epic.
ipahati ka na.
Okay. See you later.